The rules of weather are called principles because they are important. Another principle is that air that is squeezed or compressed warms up, and air that expands cools down. This principle is easy to demonstrate when you let the air out of a bicycle tire. Put your finger over the nozzle and you'll feel cool air. As the air escapes from inside the tire, it expands and cools. If you keep cooling air down, you reach a temperature where dew or condensation forms. This is called the dew point temperature. The dew that you see on cars on a clear, calm morning was formed when the air cooled down overnight until it reached the dew point temperature. Dry pavement next to wet grass tells you that the grass is wet because of dew, not rain. When the temperature and dew point temperature are the same, the relative humidity is 100%, and we can see condensation. Even in cold weather, it's not unusual to see condensation in the air over a warm lake when the winds are light. This happens because the moisture from the lake is cooled by the cold air to reach its dew point temperature. The dew point is one of the best ways to find out how much moisture is in the air. You can do a simple experiment to find it. All you need is a thermometer, ice, warm water, and an open container. Take the temperature of the water. It should be around 80 degrees. Add a few cubes of ice to the water and use the thermometer to gently stir it. Keep a close eye to the sides of the container because you are looking for condensation. As you add ice, the water will cool down, so also watch the thermometer. Once you see the first condensation, you have reached the dew point temperature. The higher it is, then the more moisture is in the air. Whenever you see clouds, you know that inside of them the temperature and dew point are equal. However, there's one important ingredient that cloud droplets need to start forming. It's called condensation nuclei. Condensation nuclei are tiny particles of dust, smoke, salt from oceans, and other things we can't see. Let's put our hands on weather and make a cloud inside of a bottle. Now what you need for this demonstration is a soda pop bottle with a little bit of warm water inside of it. Also a top and some matches. Now because you're using the matches, you have to have an adult help you. What we're going to do is light a match. We're going to blow it out so that the smoke goes inside of the bottle. Quickly blow it out, drop it in the water, and put the top on so that the smoke gets trapped inside the bottle. So now what we have inside the bottle is water, some smoke particles, which we call condensation nuclei, and air. Now what we do to make a cloud is we need to cool the air down until it reaches the dew point. So we can put it in the refrigerator, and before you know it, you would have a cloud inside of here. But remember, if we squeeze the bottle, the air inside warms up. When we let go, what do you think happens? You get a cloud. The cloud formed inside the bottle because when we let go, the air expanded and cooled down. So once again, you can squeeze it, the cloud disappears because the air warms up. But when you let go, the cloud comes right back.